Okay, so it looks like it says that it's NOVOTOWN, and it looks like there's nice things in here. Huh. Okay, we're just gonna poke our head into that little door over there and see what it's all about. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Gotta be honest though, this looks pretty tempting right here too. All this nice desserts. It's hot, but I do not want to. I want to see stuff while before the sun sets. So we'll try to see. Just so much cool stuff over here. Whole other world to explore. There's a cat there too. Okay, so we are gonna try to go into, oh, here's a burger shop right here. So that's called Santos Burger. Okay. NOVOTOWN looks like it's a shopping mall. No wonder. Okay, I thought that was a stadium, but it looks like it's a shopping mall. Huh. Of course I want to film this too. God dang it. The shopping mall. Thought that was a stadium. And now you can see the plan for this neighborhood. Oh, dang. Okay. I need a separate video for this. Okay, this is I thought this was a stadium because I saw this big, beautiful thing right here. It looks like there's like a few different things. There's this one, there's these that also look like stadiums, but I think they're all going to be apartments with the rooftops, and other ones with rooftops, and then homes as well. And basically, oh, it's a giant football field. I think this is Hengqin. So I think this is actually the giant park where the water comes through. And you can see it right here. So this is actually Hengqin, and now we're in a place called NOVOTOWN. And you got that giant thing. And we're gonna take a walk around and check it all out. Okay, NOVOTOWN. Giant thing. Shopping. So yeah, I think this is this giant shopping area mall that's people are coming to already. Huh, I wouldn't have guessed. I was walking around Hengqin and it seemed like there wasn't really it seemed like this was all under construction, and I saw this from a ways away and I thought it was like a stadium. I just wasn't really sure what it was, and now I can see what it is. It's a giant shopping mall. And we got something like Animal Kingdom right there. Brick line. My challenge though is this is all still kind of new as well. My challenge is I don't want to be in here for very long because I want to explore more of Hengqin. And look at this. This is so we saw that modeling. You just kind of see, look at all these neon signs everywhere as well. And this says Urban Retreat. Whoa! So all we're really doing right now is we're just getting a taste for it. And I got to explore some more of Hengqin before the sun goes down. And but we are getting a taste for a little bit of it now. And coming soon to the racetrack, clothing stores, Lionsgate Entertainment World. So we kind of got a lot of interesting stuff. Polo Village, love Polo Village. Huh. It looks like there's also an upstairs as well as a downstairs. There's lion dance, Uncle Bun, race car track, upstairs area. I guess everybody's going upstairs, so I guess we will too. So we're gonna head up that way. And then you also got this like pork chop bun stuff, Uncle Bun. That's the main thing right in there. Yeah, and this is still big. It's gonna be big. come by. And I want to get outside and I want to explore more. And now I see this, which is a whole other thing to explore. But anyways, looks like it's going to be multiple stories. Huh. Okay, well, let's perk up every moment. There's all this stuff over here too. So I guess we're gonna go back out, see it from this perspective. Okay, now you can see it pretty well. So now I can see the water part. So there we go. So yeah, so basically this is one giant, there's a Hyatt Regency right there. So I guess we got some hotels in this area. Looks like there's another 2 levels as well that you can walk around on, those levels. Okay, so all we can really do today is just get a taste for it. And we're gonna come back in. Ready, buddy? Yeah. All right, so let's walk around a little bit and then we're going to, I want to go downstairs and we're going to see what else we can see. Okay, so we are getting a pretty good taste for everything. So yeah, this is in here as well. Surprise, surprise to me. So it looks like they got a racetrack as well. And then they got other stuff that looks like it's upstairs, up there. Lionsgate, rules and regulations right there. So it looks like they're gonna have a lot of, I'm not even gonna see what's all in here yet. But the important thing is now, through the camera, we know that this is here. We know that it's gonna be massive. There's an outdoor part, there's an indoor part. Part of it is already here and the people are coming in, pretty big numbers already. And once it's fully realized and people start moving into this area, it's gonna be a big wow. That is kind of interesting over there. I can see what looks like pretzels. You can't get any pretzels in Macau anymore. There used to be a place that had it in a bakery, but I really want to get outside. Okay. Brick Live Animal Paradise. We definitely know how to bring in the kids. And there's more stuff to explore, but we're just getting a taste for it today. And over time, I'll definitely come over here other times and I'll be able to explore a lot more. And then we're gonna come back out this way. Pretty cool, pretty interesting. And there's our giant model right there. So I think we're right in the middle of this one right here. So we saw the water and everything in there, right? So it looks like there's also going to be a swimming pool maybe, or something at the top. Looks like there's lounging and chairs and restaurants. So anyways, we're going to head back on out to that spot. And we're going to continue our walk before the sun goes down. Pretty cool. Had no idea. So that's that NOVOTOWN mall that we were just in, for reference. And then it looks like they got the driving all planned as well, the NOVOTOWN mall. And so yeah, lots of parking is already in place, and that's the structure of the building. Pretty cool. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.